Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers cheap Cave Creek local and long distance movers near me. Moving between homes is a big life decision. There are a lot of things you have to consider to achieve a successful move. To keep track of all the essential things to do, you need to hire a moving company. Although there are several moving companies, not all moving companies are competent enough to execute your move. The best movers you can work with within Cave Creek AZ are 3 Movers. We provide the best and cheapest local and long-distance moves in the city. Our moving services are prompt, efficient, and satisfactory. We take off the burden of moving to a new location and allow you to focus on other essential things. We have an experienced and qualified team of movers. They are committed to working with you throughout the entire moving process. We also make use of high-quality moving trucks. If you need to move your belongings to a certain distance or require a special moving package, we are competent enough to pull it off. You do not need to worry about your properties getting damaged. We bring all of your belongings to your location in good condition, and we do so promptly. We also have an excellent insurance policy that covers the risk during the move. Our movers pay attention to every detail. Your belongings are carefully arranged, labeled, and loaded into our trucks. Our trucks are specially made to accommodate your furniture and appliances. Our drivers are experts and obedient to road regulations. Within the speculated time, you get all your belongings. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.